friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete or remove videos from watch later on your YouTube channel. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. Now let's continue. So once you're on YouTube guys, you want to ensure that you are logged into your account, right? And once you're logged into your account, of course, you will see the picture in the upper right hand side and you'll have all of these options, but this is not where you do it. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is click the three lines on the upper left hand side. It's something called a burger menu as well. And you click those three lines to expand those features here in case it is closed, right? So as you can see, mine is already open, but just in case yours is closed like that, you want to ensure that you click this option here. If it's already expand, pretty good, and you will see that you have the watch later option. So once you click on that, you will see all of those videos that you have watched, right, or you have in the watch later. So as you can see, I have two videos here. Now once you hover over any one of these videos guys, you will see the three that's towards the right hand side. So when you click on that, it's going to expand this menu here with a bunch of options, and you have the option that says remove from watch later. So you can choose whichever one you want, and once you select that, just simply click the remove from watch later. You will see that it's removed, and it gives you a little pop-up towards the lower left hand side that the video is removed. You have a few seconds to undo it as well. As you saw there, you can easily do it. So let's say I want to remove the second one here, click remove from watch later. You see it appear. You can quickly undo that and it will be restored, right? So once you do that guys, you can easily go ahead and have those videos remove from watch later or whatever you so desire. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.